Today we're going to negate conditional statements, conjunctions, and disjunctions. For conditional statements, which are if-then statements, to write the negation, you're going to leave the antecedent, or the first part, the same, and then you're going to change if-then to and negate the consequent, the second part. So let's look at an example. If she has a ticket, then she will go to the concert. I'm going to get rid of the if and the then and change it to an and statement. We're going to keep the first simple statement the same. She has a ticket. Where it said then, I'm going to put and then I'm going to negate the second simple statement, the antecedent. Instead of she will go to the concert, I'm going to say she will not go to the concert. So the negation of if she has a ticket, then she will go to the concert is she has a ticket and she will not go to the concert. In the second example, it says if the TV is on, then I will not do my homework. I'm going to get rid of if then. I keep the first simple statement the same. The TV is on. I change that where it said then, I'm going to put and then I negate the second part. Instead of I will not do my homework, I change it to I will do my homework. So the negation of if the TV is on, then I will not do my homework is the TV is on and I will do my homework. In the next part, we're going to negate conjunctions and disjunctions. And what we do for this is we negate both simple statements and change and to or to and. So in this first example, I went to London and I went to Paris. I negate both simple statements. So I did not go to London. I change or and to or, and then I negate the second part as well. I did not go to Paris. And for that last example, instead of I study or I do not pass, I do not study and I do pass.